You say the car full of sand. I push the car over the cross, look. Nobody does that. What in there?
A nice park. Nice park. Mr. Black, no road. I look like he may know where it is. I must know where it is.